VideoMeld is a powerful yet easy to use multi-track video editor. Use it to create awesome YouTube videos, educational training videos, or attention-grabbing presentations. This tutorial explains some of the basic features in VideoMeld, including editing, video layers, and effects. The main VideoMeld window starts with a single blank track. Use the track menu to add another track or change the order. Tracks may be dragged and dropped to change the order. Use the Add buttons in the toolbar to add audio, video, or image files to a track. Each file is contained in a section that can be dragged and dropped to any position on the timeline. Use the View menu to zoom in and out of the project. Zooming in allows you to move the edit marker or sections more precisely. Zooming out allows you to see more of the project. Each section has a title bar and may show the contents of the file. For audio files, the waveform is shown within the section. For video files, frames are shown. The title bar has mute, settings, and effect buttons. To select a section, click on the section's title bar. To select more than one section, hold down the Control key and click on the title bars. Or right-click and drag to select a group of sections. Arrange sections by dragging them. Sections may have to be moved depending on where you drop them. Dragging one section close to another causes the section to snap to the end of that section. When more than one section is selected, the entire group is moved together. To trim a file, simply drag the left or right edge of the section. Or move the edit marker to the point where you want to trim and use either trim left or trim right on the edit menu. All selected sections that touch the edit marker are trimmed. To divide a section in two, move the edit marker to the point where you want to divide the section and use split from the edit menu. Use the play buttons to preview the project. The audio volume of each track is shown in the track header. The overall project volume is shown on the right side of the window. Use the playback item on the options menu to change the playback settings to select a different audio device, preview resolution and frame rate, or preview screen mode. A video section is layered based on the track it is in. Video in the first track is rendered first, then the video in the second track is rendered on top of that, then video in the third track is rendered on top of that, and so on. So video in the first track is in the bottom layer and video in the last track is in the top layer. If video in the last track occupies the whole screen and does not contain any transparent areas, then none of the other tracks will be visible. Use effects to change the size and position of video sections so all layers can be seen. To add an effect to a section, click the Effect button on the section's title bar, or select the section and choose Add or Modify from the Effect menu. Click on the Add Effect button. Select an effect from the list. Choose the Add button or double-click on the effect. Adjust the settings. Choose OK. See the effects tutorial for more information. This concludes the tutorial.